in the mail today. Little Black Friday sale at its best. The GoPro Hero 7 White. Let's see what all comes in the box. Oh, here you go. All right. Figure it out from that. Not them cut. All right. All right, as I was saying, the GoPro Hero White 7, or GoPro Hero 7 White, Black Friday special is here. It's been delivered. We got the specs on the side. It got 10 MPM, 180 60p, 33. Alright, as I was saying, Black Friday special, the GoPro Hero 7 White Edition. Let's see what's inside. Shall we? Oh yeah. Yeah, real nice box. Wherever that is. Oh shit. Alright. Ooh, interesting. Let's see. Oh, okay. Tell. There we go. There's a sticker. How the fuck do I get this bitch off? Look at it, it's so small and compact. Ooh, my hand. Why the fuck are my hands so greasy? Ooh, I really greasy. Watch this. Watch that tape pull. Ooh, that's so satisfying right there. Alright, we can turn it on. I don't want to hear anything in the comments about me pressing the wrong button. You're going to see me press the record button thinking it's the on button, but it's not. It's the record button. Anyway, you can admire that. Admire that. Admire that. Yeah, well, I'll check out the rest of the box. Looks like we got some stickers. You know where those are going? Bottom of the skateboard, baby. Nobody ever read those. We got some mounts here. Guess that's a helmet mount. We've got a USB-C charger. Another mount. A couple mounts. That's all. That's pretty much all. Pretty much everything in that box. And there's this bad boy. I didn't think I was gonna see one of these. Thought I was gonna have to buy it separately, but hey. I don't know like we have to. Figure out how to get this bitch off. It's over with. If I can figure out how to get this off, it's over with. gonna figure this out. Oh, well. Of course, you gotta remove the tab on there. Any genius could have figured that out. I'm an idiot.
Eventually.
Read, ladies and gentlemen. All you gotta do is read to be successful. You understand me? All you gotta do is read to be successful. Anyway, on to the next task. Put this bad boy back on here. Straight there. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. I wonder if I can charge it while it's in the case. I don't think I can. Interesting. This is the waterproofing feature. The little square right there. This protects it. The SD card and the charging port. Alright, let's put this thing on charge and I'll be back. Or maybe not. Who knows?
Moments later.
Alright. Like we're in action. Here I am pressing the record button again. Think it's the on button. But I got it figured out now, so just figure it out. Since I'm using my phone to record, it wants me to install the app. I'm gonna use my iPad to do so. Right, use my iPad, wherever it is. Set this camera up. You are not fast enough. Y'all heard that Mario Judah song? It's weird, but it go hard. What the? No. I ain't got time for no password.
Much later.
Alright, we got it all set up and connected to our phone. Of course, I don't have an SD card in it yet, but to infinity and beyond. Look at it. That's pretty good. Pretty good camera quality, if I do say so myself. Not bad. I like it. Expect a lot more videos coming in the future. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Down here. Brown.
license. GoPro, baby.